Let's take a look at creating a list in the editor. In this program, we're going to print a birthday message that is saved inside a list to the console. To start, we have a variable message that is being printed to the console. Instead of saving the entire message in a string, we want each word in the message to be saved inside a list. To do that, we want to surround the items with square brackets. Let's see how that works. So now we actually do have this message saved inside a list, but the list only contains one item. We want each word in the message to be its own item to be able to access each piece individually or change just one part of the message in the future. To do this, we can separate each word with a comma, and we'll need to make sure that any string items are surrounded by their own set of quotation marks. Let's see how that works. Awesome! Now I could just change one part of the message really easily, which we'll learn how to do later in this module. Now it's your turn to try your hand at creating lists.